2016 Audi A3. We are doing a Carplay Android Auto module. It uses factory monitor to display the Carplay Android Auto. This unit has to have a media button right here. The first step we're gonna do is remove. So you're gonna need this removal tool. I'll put it on the link along with the module. Alright, so you need these special tools. Slide in underneath. I'll put it on the link. Then you pull this out. So what we are doing is you're pushing this inward with this tool. You do both sides at the same time. And if you missed it, this thing's going to spread out. It's going to be difficult for you to get that thing out. Right, so what you're doing is you put this tool in and you slide in. See how this thing goes in? That's what you're doing. You're pushing that lever inward to release. The next step is we're going to remove this plug. There is a little locking clip on the bottom side. You lift it up, straight up, and whole thing comes out. Let's get the T-harness. You got to pull this upward like this, otherwise it's not going to go in. Then you lock it down in place. Make sure it's secured. Okay. And this male side goes back into the radio. There's the navigation module. Push all the way in, hold it down, lock in place. Okay? And we're gonna run this white cable all the way up to the monitor. Okay, so next step, the LDVS is this pink one here. We're gonna push this one down and unplug. You unplug that, we're going to grab the male and female from this. So male side goes back in place. Can you put that in? Okay, and the female obviously goes into the factory plug we just unplugged. This single one, the blue plug, plugs into here. Then we got to connect that white cable there and also the antenna. And that's the USB and video in and out. So if you want to do a back cam, you can do that as well. And there is a wireless antenna. Okay. So basically, that's all we have to do. We don't really have to take the monitor out. We took it out for nothing. But just in case you need to know how to take the monitor out, that's how you take it out. But we didn't have to do anything up here. So this is 5.8 inch screen. So we're gonna follow 5.8 inch, which is a 1, 2, 5, 6 down, which is on. Okay, so basically that's all you have to do. So let's turn it on and see if it works. It still comes on, which is good. So in order to do a CarPlay function, there's a media button there. You press and hold for a long time. This pops up. Then you use the the knob to switch from one to another, because this is not a touchscreen. That's how you get to that. So you go to the return.
Start searching.
And return. So from here, so you can do CarPlay, AirPlay, wire auto, auto link. So whatever you want to do, you just use the button, the center knob, rotary knob, to go from one function to another. In our case, we're going to try iPhone. So push it down. Now you got to have a CarPlay device, and you got to go to your phone, Bluetooth, start search. It says searching. So you're going to open up your Bluetooth. So we got iPhone.
It's connected.
Oh, why doesn't it show? It actually shows there. Wow. Doesn't show there.
Wait. I'm connecting from here to the.
Okay. No, that's not Audi MMI, I don't think.
That's what it says to look for. Look, connect model. Yeah. Okay.
Right, so it says connected.
No, nothing is connected yet.
Nothing is connected.
Searching, okay. CarPlay, connection mode, start searching. Oh, CarPlay.
Yeah, it's not Audi MMI. It's a CarPlay 83980. So you connect that, and it should pop up. There we go. Yep. It takes time. Alright, so once you pair your Bluetooth to it, the CarPlay comes up. So you have to use a joystick to maneuver from one function to another. So let's see if the music plays. And we have no music. So after you pair the Bluetooth for CarPlay Android Auto, you go back out on your phone.
470.
Go to Bluetooth, go to Media, and you're gonna look for Audi's Bluetooth for the music. So you're gonna hit that Audi MMI Bluetooth, and now once that's connected, you go back out to CarPlay and you play the music. So we're showing in YouTube. Entire monitor comes forward. So that still shows CarPlay function here, and we get audio from YouTube or any music on your cell phone. So that's how you do it. So first step is to pair the Bluetooth for the CarPlay. Once you pair that, you go back out to the Bluetooth, go to Audi MMI for the music, then you go to the Media button, pair the Bluetooth, select the Bluetooth as the audio system, and you go back out, and your music will still play, showing this CarPlay function up there. You're trying to connect the Wi-Fi to see if you can watch YouTube on it. So you go to hotspot on your cell phone, pair your hotspot Wi-Fi, and see if it works. So once you pair the Wi-Fi hotspot, As you can see, you can watch videos on YouTube. Alright, so everything seems to be working fine. Now, there isn't any space big enough for this module to be hidden behind. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the glove box out. To remove, there is an 8mm far back all the way there. Let's see, all the way far back, right there to the right corner. Come on, focus. Well, there is a one all the way far back here by my hand. There's another one through this pocket all the way far back. There's another 8mm. Let's see if I can show you. All the way far back, right there. Oh my God, I can't focus. It's there, right there. Right, so that 8mm plus right above here, there are 8mm here, and also bolt on the bottom. The entire glove box comes out. The reason we are taking glove box out is because we want to hide this big black box behind the panel, because there's no space. After you pair the Bluetooth for CarPlay Android Auto, you go back out on your phone,
470.
go to Bluetooth, go to Media, and you're gonna look for Audi's Bluetooth for the music. So you're gonna hit that Audi MMI Bluetooth, and now once that's connected, you go back out to CarPlay and you play the music. So we're showing in YouTube. And fire monitor comes forward. So that still shows CarPlay function here, and we get audio from YouTube or any music on your cell phone. So that's how you do it. So first step is to pair the Bluetooth for the CarPlay. Once you pair that, you go back out to the Bluetooth, go to Audi MMI for the music, then you go to the Media button, pair the Bluetooth, select the Bluetooth as the audio system, and you go back out, and your music will still play, showing this CarPlay function up there.